Hello, this is a video on how to make artisan bread soft again. I made this bread 3 days ago. Now it is solid, hard, and I cannot eat it. So I have a trick on how to make the bread edible again. Take a bread knife and slice the bread into several slices. The bread is soft because it was not exposed to air, but the part that was exposed to air is very hard. But I'll fix that. Pour half a cup of water into a big bowl. Take your slices of bread and don't drench the bread, but wet the bread on both sides. Put a little oil on the rack so the bread does not stick to the rack. Leave it in the oven for 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side. Now you have toasted, delicious artisan bread. You can add butter, jam, preserve. Oh, look at that inside, so warm and soft. Delicious. Bon appetit!